Alright, so here we have this, my neighbor's new Rheem heat pump running in heat mode. It's frozen right now. They're home, so I gotta be kind of careful. But yeah, just wanted to get a quick video of it. It's all warm. But yeah, there's actually people visiting for some reason. So there's another. That's a straight cool air here. This is the only heat pump here. But look at it, frozen. It's not quite about to be going into defrost, but it is pretty frozen. So I'll make sure to catch it. But yeah, that's some other noises. Anyways, yeah. Thank you for watching, and over and out.